Hey, what's going on, guys? Peter here again. Wanted to make a quick update video. People have been asking me about Garcinia Cambogia as far as the dosage and how much they should take. And so personally, I ordered mine from the link in the description. It's the best Garcinia Cambogia personally I've ever found. I did a ton of research on it, watched a bunch of videos and articles, and that's the one that I settled on and that I've been using, that I've been able to lose around 10 pounds or so in the past 2 or 3 weeks from using Garcinia Cambogia. So as far as the dosage, basically you just take 2 pills a day. Here's what they look like. And, they come in the mail, and you just take 2 pills a day. I haven't had any like weird side effects or anything. Basically what I notice is it just reduces your appetite, boosts your metabolism, and just makes it honestly pretty easy and effortless to lose weight without having to do a ton of like strenuous exercises and crazy diets or anything like that. So if you've been thinking about taking Garcinia Cambogia, I definitely highly recommend it. I've been telling some of my friends about it who have like weight loss goals and stuff like that. I can definitely stand behind it and say that it works. So I recommend you definitely trying it out. If you're wondering where to get it, I actually included a link in the description of where I personally got mine. Like I said, it's been the best one that I've personally found. It's made in the USA. They ship really quickly, and it's just really good quality and everything. So, I found it very effective. So if you've been thinking about taking Garcinia Cambogia, definitely highly recommend it. It's been phenomenal. I can't say enough good things about it. So, once again, if you're serious about losing weight, click the link in the description and you'll be able to get the exact same kind that I've been using and that I've been telling all my friends about. So it's been a pleasure creating this video for you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.